thanks for being here and do subscribe our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you some welding projects for beginner, scrap metal arts, upcycle metal, and metal do-it-by-yourself decoration projects. So let's get started. Welding is a fascinating and rewarding skill to learn. Not only does it give you an ability to repair and modify metal objects, but it also opens up a world of creative possibilities, from scrap metal art to upcycling metal for do-it-by-yourself decoration item. There are endless welding projects for beginners to explore. In this video, we will explore some beginner-friendly welding projects that are perfect for those just starting out in the world of welding. If you are looking to add some personality and charm to your garden, welded garden art is an excellent beginner welding project. Start by gathering some scrap metal piece of varying size and the shapes. These could be the old tool, machine part, or even discarded metal furniture. Decide on the design you want to create. For example, you could make a metal flower or a birdhouse or whimsical garden sculpture. Once you have your design in mind, use a welder to join the pieces of scrap metal together. Welding garden art is an excellent project for a beginner because it allows you to experiment with different welding techniques while creating something fun and unique. The bookends are practical and stylish addition to any bookshelves. However, instead of buying bookend from a store, why not make your own using upcycled metal? For this project, you will need two pieces of metal that are roughly the same size and the shapes. These could be the old metal sign, license plate, or even piece of scrap metal from an old car. Use a welder to join two pieces of metal together at 90-degree angle. Once you have welded a piece together, you can add any finishing touch, such as painting or sanding, to create a polished look. Metal wall art is a trendy and eye-catching way to add some personality to your home decor. To create your own metal wall, start by gathering a variety of scrap metal pieces. These could be anything from old bike chains to metal cutlery. Next, arrange the pieces of scrap metal into a design that appeals to you. For example, you could create a metal tree, a city skyline, or an abstract design. Once you have arranged the pieces of scrap metal, use a welder to join them together. Metal wall art is a great welding project for a beginner because it allows you to experiment with different welding techniques while creating something that is both beautiful and functional. Metal planters are a stylish and practical addition to any home and the garden. To make your own metal planter, start by gathering some scrap metal pieces. These could be old metal buckets, pots, and even piece of scrap metal from your old car. Next, use a welder to join the pieces of scrap metal together to create a sturdy and durable planter. Once you have created your metal planter, you can add a finishing touch such as painting or sanding to create a polished look. Metal planters are an excellent welding project for a beginner because they allow you to experiment with different welding techniques while creating something that is both functional and beautiful. If you are looking for a unique and a personalized piece of jewelry, why not make your own using metal? For this project, you will need some scrap metal piece such as old silver or metal wire.
Scrap metal welding art and projects work. Good morning and welcome back. I hope you people are doing so well. Thanks for being here and thanks for watching my video. In this video we are going to show you some amazing scrap metal art welding project and how they are working. Artistic and enthusiast collect various types of scrap metals such as old car part, machinery components, industrial scrap, or discarded metal objects. These material can be a source for junkyard, construction sites, or even from the personal collection. Artists envision and plan their artwork or the project design. They consider the available scrap metal pieces and their characteristics such as size, shapes, and texture to determine how they can be incorporated into a design. The collected scrap metal is typically cleaned, stripped, and any coating and prepared for welding. This may involving rust, cutting pieces or size, or shaping them using tools such as grinder and the torches. Welding is a primary method used to join the metal component together. Common welding techniques including MIG, metal, inert gas welding, tungsten, and inert gas welding, or the arc welding. The choice of technique depends upon the type of metal being used and the desired outcome.